Hi, I just installed a new SAP development system and I'm going to install the Neptune DXP platform on it as well. So I'm heading over to neptune-software.com to get my free trial. Click on the link. I supply my information, already pre-filled here. Enter my company name, Job DX. Industry, this is always a difficult question for me. What do I do? Computer software, is that fine? Technology? Other. Most of my systems run SAP to get the Planet 8. I agree with the terms. Not the robot, and submit. Okay, we have access to the files and we're interested in Planet 8, which is the SAP edition. We want the installation files and guide. Planet 8. License agreement. We read it thoroughly and agree, of course. And the file is on its way. Next, we also want a version of the SAP UI5 library. 1.71 is, I believe, the latest long-term support version. I think it's a good idea to have it installed locally as well. Again, with the license agreement, we get those two files. Just waiting for it to download, 12 seconds. Open my downloads folder in the meantime. The platform itself is downloaded, and we also have the SAP UI5 version. Let's check it. Actually, we need to extract those two. Extract all. Please do. Okay, I couldn't do it this way. One at a time, apparently. There we go. So we have the... Okay, so let's open and follow the installation guide. One, okay. Planet 8, version 603. Pre-installation. I have no previous version in my system. It is the first time. Get the license key ready. Well, I'm just going to use the trial license. It's free and it's enough for me. Front and back end split. Yeah, installed same version. They were not relevant in my case. Download and unpack the trial version is done, and we need to import the transport files into the file system of the SAP server. And it is stated in here how to install CG3Z. I don't think that's available in the SAP system. Right. So we are going to use the an alternative. We're going to use the archive file client to server function module instead. So copy, and we are going to SC37. There you go. Execute. And we need to make sure to have the upper lowercase set. So there are two files. We have the K file and the R file. The K file, starting with the K, is the control file that is going into the /usr SAP trans.co files directory. So we get the full path to this one. I'll do it this way. Copy. And we have the file name. Let's copy paste, not make any mistakes. And it is supposed to be in the user SAP trans.co files. Trans.co files directory. Please upload this. There we go. And we have the R file in the data directory. Now, it's a bigger one. And it's uploaded. Let's get to the SAP UI5 while we're at it. So that's the path. And we have it's a data directory now. We need to put the R file in there. Go. And time for the control file, which is, back it up. Okay, and we have the files. Okay, let's go. Allow. And there we have it. The files are uploaded to the application server, and we can install them like as a transport. Well, that is a transport. Let's get back to the installation guide. Yeah, start transaction STMS and open the import queue to your system, and we're going to install them. So we're going to TMS. We are going to the import overview, A for H. Okay. Oh, it's an old one from the installation. We are going to extras, other request, and add. And we find our transports here. Let's bring them both in. Could not read import QA. Okay. Oh, I think I have seen this before. 38. And we have the RSTP test. Report. Execute. Something with the TP profile, invalid format. Okay, let's fix it. STMS. And we're going to something system overview. Update configuration. Here we go. Update, yes please. Please do. And let's try STMS again. Input overview. Go into our system. Oh, and now it's clear. It's empty. So let's extras other request add, and we should find our transports. Yes. That's one. And let's add the other one. I can't remember which one is which actually. This was a 5845. We're at 6010. Yes. We don't get the text here until the transport is read. So let's check the documentation. And no, it doesn't say, of course. Let's check the files. So this is the SAP UI5 directory, and 5845 is the SAP UI5, which means that the next Neptune installation is 906010. Let's take that one first. Mark import request. Target client 01 for me, and just to be safe, we don't need to leave it, but ignore the invalid component versions, because I'm not sure. It doesn't matter in this case. It's a totally standalone project. Yeah, please import. And then I guess this will take a while. Let's check the logs. Yeah. Okay, that took a while. No problem. Let's get warnings are just fine. Let's get back to the transport list and install the SAP UI5 version as well. Import request. Just to be sure. Yes, please. And again, let's check the logs and wait for it. Well, that took a while, but we are in. All right. Let's check the installation guides again. So we have the transport. Yes, we did that. Transport monitor. Check, check, check. Ignore the warnings, right? Post installation activities. Import the transport. Okay, we did that as well. Without internet access. Yeah, you need the SAP UI5 libraries if you have no internet access. Okay, transaction SICAF to activate the nodes, and it says here as well how to do it and which nodes it is. Neptune node installed just now. So we go to SICF transaction, and we open the default host, find Neptune, which by default is inactive. Right click and activate service. Yes, and all the ones below as well. And there we go. And we also need to start the Neptune designer. And okay, there's a Neptune Flight app that initializes the environment for them. So /Neptune/designer is the transaction for the Neptune designer, and we are going to run Neptune_flight. Designer. Compiling, waiting. Neptune Flight, and we run it in browser. Allow. username developer and the secret password that is in my password manager over here. Copy and paste. Yeah, I'm going to save it. Okay, so here's the app. Date updated. I guess it's initialized all right. Let's get back to the installation guide. Authorizations, when upgrading from 5.5 and higher, skip to I'm not upgrading. 5. No, new installation upgrade from versions. Okay, this is new for me. The installation package comes with a folder of authorization. This folder contains an authorization role, which may be imported either as a transport or it may be uploaded. Okay, in PFCG. Okay. We can use Neptune developer. So the /Neptune/developer contains all required authorizations, and since this is just my own development system, I don't need any additional adjustments for it. So let's install it. Let's install it. We find the authorization folder, and okay, another transport. We could also do it from the PFCG transaction. I've never done it. Let's try it. So PFCG role, then I guess there should be an upload. Look at this. When uploading roles, all role data. Profile must. Okay. Let's find the download. Where is it? Downloads. And inside of that, and here, and that one, allow. Yeah, these two. One role was uploaded from the file. Cool. Okay, so I should add this one to my user, I guess, and then I will let's look at it actually. Play. Yeah. So 001 developer, that's my user now in the system, and we have the roles. We add the /Neptune/developer role, like so. Save, done. And next was the run program Neptune installation check. In every client you will run Neptune, which is 1. SAP P8 program, execute, active. Alright, I have the hostname IP for my SAP system in my host file. It's fine for the development system. I'm not planning on doing this right now using the app designer in the cockpit, but it's a web-based IDE. It's pretty cool. Not upgrading. Number 10. It's a certificate we can install in the PSE. So yeah, let's do it. S-Trust transaction. Going to change mode. We are going to Import a certificate. That is located in the Neptune DXP Planet folder, Neptune cert.bin. Load. I will allow to certificate list, and we save. That's more like it. Then the Neptune logpick is backed into mobile client. New feature. Not relevant for me. SAP GUI is 740 patch. I have SAP installed. We need to explore it. If we're running inside SAP GUI, go Chrome. Yes, agreed. I don't use single sign-on. Reverse proxy. I'm not using it. Okay. It's done.